I don't have a lot of battery left. Oh, I love it when things start to flow. And I've been out walking every day for, well, every day, not over the weekend, but the past week, and just an hour every day. Getting some sunlight, which is very important. Well, it's not as grey today. Anyway, so I'm working on the roughs for my new book, Walker, the Boy Who Can Talk to Dogs. Click out here to see me working on them. So while I'm working on them, I'm kind of reacquainting myself with the characters and starting to think about the next book, which I've been thinking about for the last year, the next story, and I kind of thought this way and that way. And my dear editor, Janet, has completely cut out one character who I particularly liked. And I kind of thought, okay, yeah, that's right for the sake of the story, but I want to go back to her. She's not finished with. So now she's sort of taking over a major part of the next book, and then we'll probably disappear forever. But that sort of all came together, and then it's working out the McGuffins. As Alfred Hitchcock used to say, you've got to have a McGuffin, the twist, the thing to make the whole story work. And so each day I've been coming out thinking, yeah, that would work. And then you get a bit stuck, and so you carry on walking and do a bit more work. The next day, come out and pick up where you were. Oh, that would work, and that would work. And then I think Friday, so today's Monday, Friday, I thought, oh yeah, that would work. Suddenly, kapow, the whole thing started coming together. And I've had the weekend off, but letting my brain think about it. And so today, ding, there's the McGuffin. And actually inspired by a news story this morning. And it takes this time for things just to grow and develop. And so I think I'm pretty ready to sit down and write the synopsis, except I'm doing the finished artwork now. Janet loves the roughs that I did. And now as I'm walking along, I'm starting to think of all these little extra details and character relationships and things like that. And I think, oh yes, now it's really starting to move, because it's not just about the plot, it's about, you know, it's not just about the plot, it's about the relationships of the characters and motivation and all that kind of thing. So there we are. I think that's the way to do it. If you want to write stories, get out and walk. Especially on today, I think it's the 7th of January, which is supposed to be Blue Monday. This is the most depressing day of the year, and it is very grey. And so I think on a day like this, it's good to get out. This is the day that everybody breaks their New Year's resolutions. I learned that a long time ago, so I don't make them. I think they're a bit pointless. I try not to have anything to do in New Year at all, because I find it a slightly sad occasion. I think it doesn't quite really do it for me. It's all about, you know, the new year, the old year, and making resolutions, and this is how it's going to be. But no, the hard part is just carrying on what you were doing before. And if you start falling by the wayside on your new resolutions, then that makes everything you were doing before much harder, because it kind of lowers your spirits even more. So the hard thing is just to keep on doing. There you go. Well, I'll just finish this video off and say thanks for watching, and keep watching. Click that little button down there to subscribe. Keep coming back to the Shooting and Drawing channel for lots more philosophical nonsense like this. And in the meantime, keep drawing. Practice. And I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.